Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and I will be glad to see your smiling faces. Come on, smile. And you know what? Nowadays, most of us are preferring fruit juices over consuming raw fruits. We are ready to pay the higher pricing of juices. Okay, so forget about the pricing. In this video, let's find out, are fruit juices a better substitute over consuming raw fruits? I know you all are smart and you guessed the correct answer, that consuming raw fruit is much more better. But my friend, reason and explanation are very important in the field of science. So let's find out the exact reason together in this video. So hello guys, my name is Trans and I am a third year student of BTech Food Technology. And if you end up liking this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon for the future updates. I really appreciate that. See, whenever we are talking about different fruits like oranges, watermelons, pomegranate, apples, mangoes, lychees and many more fruits, when we are consuming the fruits, we are including the whole part, including the pericarp, the outer part, exocarp, middle part, mesocarp and the innermost endocarp. In short, while consuming raw fruit, we are consuming the whole fruit, of course except the seed and peel. But in the case of juices, we are not consuming and taking advantage of each and every single part of the fruit. Okay, so what I mean to say that while consuming fruit juices, the pulp and the skin of the fruit are left behind, which are high in dietary fibers. And those dietary fibers plays an important role in the bowel movement, of course in the intestine. Also boosts the digestion and important for a healthy gut. Apart from curing digestive issues, fibers also control and check blood sugar level, lower the cholesterol and also keeps a person full for a long time, which is very much required in these type of lockdown situation, right? Alright, so after this I would like to draw your attention towards the packed juices, that is the tetra packaging of the fruit juices. See, in the case of packed juices, the shelf life of these juices is very long as compared to normal juices, and to attain that much of shelf life, in the industry fruit juices are heated at a certain temperature for a specific period of time, which somehow deteriorate the nutritional value of the juices. And to overcome those nutritive losses, some of the additives, preservatives is added in the fruit juices. See, the quality of the packed juice depend upon the brand and the taste may vary according to the brand because of this additives or preservatives, and that is the reason why the taste is varied. So let's consider a packed juice of brand A and let's consider a packed juice of brand B. Same juices from same fruit but having different taste because of the additives, because of the preservatives which is added. So the conclusion is fruit is at the top, after that fruit juices, and after that packed juices. So hope you learned something from this video. If yes, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.